Ever pondered over why data retrieval is the heartbeat of any data-driven organization? The answer is simple. Information. Information that drives business decisions, fuels scientific research, and even helps predict the future. But how do we extract this valuable information from a sea of raw data? That's where the magic of data retrieval comes in. Data retrieval is a process that involves extracting or obtaining data from a database management system, often abbreviated as DBMs. Think of it as a librarian in a vast library of information, helping you find the exact book you're looking for. But instead of books, we're dealing with data. And instead of a librarian, we have a DBMS. The first step in data retrieval is determining what you need. This is done by presenting a set of criteria or parameters, also known as a query. A query is like a question you're asking the DBMS. It could be as simple as how many customers purchased product X last month, or as complex as what is the correlation between customer age and product preference. To prepare these queries, we use a query language. The most widely used query language is structured query language, or SQL. This language, standardized by the American National Standards Institute, is designed specifically to write database queries. While each DBMS may have its own language, most relational database systems use SQL due to its versatility and robustness. Once the query is prepared, it's time to execute it. This is where the DBMS comes into play. It's the DBMS's job to sift through the database, find the data that matches the criteria specified in the query, and retrieve it. This process is akin to the librarian searching through the library's catalog, finding the book you're looking for, and handing it over to you. The data retrieved can then be stored in a file, printed, or viewed on the screen. It's now ready to be analyzed and used to make informed decisions. So, to summarize, data retrieval is a critical process in the world of data analysis. It begins with the formulation of a query using a query language like SQL. The DBMS then locates and retrieves the requested data based on the query, and the retrieved data is then made available for use. The beauty of data retrieval lies in its universality. It allows users across different parts of a system to use the same data and apply their own methods of analysis. It democratizes access to information, making it a powerful tool in the hands of those who know how to use it. Just remember, effective data retrieval is like asking the right questions. The better your query, the better your results. So keep refining those queries and the world of data will be at your fingertips.